Hello, beautiful people. On this trail, we are at Dollywood. We are going to be doing the train. We're going to be doing the bubble show. We're going to be riding rides. And at the end, we are going to be looking at the fireworks and drone show. So, if you're ready, let's go. We are currently going to the kids section, so hopefully the kids can ride some rides today. Like I said, it is tremendously busy today. Hey, you're tall. I'm right behind you.
You want to come say hi to Llama Llama? Do you know Llama Llama or Pigeon? High five?
It is the kids' time to ride some rides. So here we go. Let's see how long the wait is over here and how busy it truly is. Well, Brooks is already ahead of me. He's Denny Hamlin. So I get to ride this ride by myself while Mila rides with Papa and Brooks rides with Mama. Yep, here we go. This is gonna be fun. My first ride by myself. Hello, we are currently at the bubble show.
From raindrops dancing in leaves, over time they found new forms in laughter and play. Bubbles rise not just on the
and this is our first thing that we're going to try today. It is the chicken Alfredo pizza, and we are at the Iron Horse Cafe next to the train. And this is what it looks like. I've already tried it out and it's pretty good. I approve.
Can you taste the onions?
Yeah.
I can smell the train. Sitting here eating pizza and watching the train get ready to leave at 5 o'clock. And Mila, if you can see, Mila's right there. She's eating. Oh, we got that on camera. Did that scare you, Mila? Oh, it scared Mila. This is the brisket sandwich that you get with the summer tasting pass. Come with that. I guess Mila wants some bread. You want some bread? Yeah. Me and Mila going to try the brisket sandwich. She wants some bread, so I'm gonna give her some bread. Here you go, baby. Here's the brisket sandwich. One bite. Very juicy. Got a lot of flavor in it. All right, we got the s'mores, deep fried s'mores with the summer festival. Hannah's going to be the first one to try it.
Yes,
That
after
is-
it cools down.
After it cools down?
Yes.
All right, let's count to
It's
10. Oh, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 1. All right,
Hey, Mommy.
let's see.
Mom.
Very hot. And it's wrapped in funnel cake batter, so it's really good.
Mm.
What are your thoughts? Rate it out of 10.
I like the 10. It's
You like it?
Well, I'll take that back. It's a 9. Just wish they had more chocolate. Can't
Okay.
beat chocolate.
I liked it. I just wish the funnel cake was a little bit more crispy. Like
Yeah.
on the outside.
Look at that.
Just a little bit.
It's really good though. Really
It
good.
is.
What is me?
Me and Mila are on the bear ride right now. It's really fun. I think in 2 months she will be able to ride by herself. And she's upset because she can't ride by herself. It's okay. Oh, who's the top? I hear a bear. What's that sound?
My bell.
That was your bear? Oh no.
Hey, baby.
Oh, we are riding the birds.
What kind of birds?
I don't know.
Is this the mockingbird?
The rocking bird, and I'm just gonna go flying crazy with my dad on here.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
Is it going to be mad? Mad, yep. Mad and rad.
So I can swim my dad into the tree.
What? Oh no. Okay, Brooks is operating. He is operating the ride. So wherever we go, it's because of him.
Go find this one. Go find this one.
Oh no.
That's right.
Whoa.
This one.
Oh! This is actually pretty fun. Whoa. That's pretty beautiful. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
The ride is stopping.
What did you feel about it? How do you think?
Fun.
It was fun? I didn't pretty enjoy it too. Good family ride. Brooks liked it too, you
I
know?
loved it.
Oh, he said he loved it.
I loved the win actually.
Yeah?
So you just get off the birds
The birds. Oh, the birds, yeah.
and you seen us get on the birds.
Yeah, and now we are on the Dragon Flyer, and we are on the front row, row 1. So this is Brooks' second time riding this ride, so hopefully he's okay with riding them in the front, because he never rode a roller coaster in the front before. So
I
Like-
think I have.
you have? Which one? Oh yeah, we did ride the Big Bear Mountain in front, right? Yep. Okay, it's the second time. My bad. So, are you ready, Brooks?
Yeah.
We are in Wildwood Grove, waiting for Brooks and Tyler to ride the Dragon Flyer. We have the Thunderhead over here. And of course, this is the Dragon Flyer. Tyler said that they got the front row, so we will see. And there they go. There they are. I see them waving. There he goes. Watch, Mila, here they come. Brooks looked pretty scared. That looks like such a smooth ride though. after my experience passing out on the Wild Eagle last time, I have chosen not to go on any roller coasters today. But we also have the Big Bear Mountain. It is fun. And in the distance back here, we have the lightning rod.
The dragon flyer!
You just got off the dragon flyer. Good job. What do you rate it out of 10?
200 and 200.
200, 200. Well, there you have it.
It was pretty fun. He enjoyed it.
Is this your favorite ride at Dollywood?
Yeah.
What is it?
A frog.
The froggies. Here we go.
So we just got off the dragon flyer. We had to wait 45 minutes for the Big Bear Mountain.
Yeah, we're on the Big Bear Mountain right now. Well, about to ride. We're all the way in the back. Brooks, are you ready? All right, Brooks, here we go. You ready?
Welcome back, adventurers. How's your ride? Awesome. Head to the middle.
It is currently almost nighttime here in Dollywood. They have the dance party going on right now. I think in 20 minutes is when the fireworks show will start. So I'm ready to see that. Really am. Oh, there's the mockingbird. We just got back at the hotel from Dollywood. Mila, Brooks are all beat. Mila's asleep, Brooks is in the shower. Mom is getting ready for bed. As you can tell, the background, that's the NASCAR ride, and then that's Sky Ranch. And we totally enjoyed our day today. Like I said, we did the bubble show, ride some rides, did all that, and then we also did a live part of the fireworks and drone show. So that is what we did today. If you like what you saw, like, subscribe, and comment.